Welcome to Idaho's American Job Centers, where our goal is to help you navigate your way back to work. We know it's difficult to lose your job or get laid off under any circumstance. For many, it's a time of uncertainty. The questions of what to do next or where to turn for help can be overwhelming. And that's where we come in. Our experienced staff can connect you to the kind of job that meets your needs. So let's dig in. Today we're going to cover a lot of information about how to find a job by tapping our center's employment and training programs. We'll go over what you need to know to file for unemployment insurance benefits. While not all of the following sections may apply directly to you, we've made sure to include some useful information in each section. Information you may find helpful when navigating the unemployment landscape. Creating a job seeker account on the Idaho Department of Labor website at labor.idaho.gov is the first step you need to take. Once you're on the site, head to Find Job Openings and create your job seeker account. After you've created your account, you're ready to go. You can start searching for job listings right away from your personal computer, or you can always use the computers at your local American Job Center. When you are able to visit the center, staff there will be happy to help you with one-on-one job search assistance that includes resume writing and reviewing, running mock interviews with you, and general career exploration. Jobscape is one of the most useful tools available to help you explore new career options. All you have to do is visit labor.idaho.gov and click the link on our homepage under Research Careers using Jobscape. It's that simple. You can also learn what kind of jobs are in demand in your area, the wages they pay, and the education and skill requirements to do the job. Knowing these facts will help you as you look for work and help you avoid positions that don't meet your needs. Our ultimate goal is to help you find success in employment. During standard hours of operation for our remote locations and local American Job Centers, also known as Idaho Department of Labor local offices, you can access computers to look for work and create, print, fax, or copy your resume. We also offer job search workshops and career fairs, so check your local American Job Center for dates and times. If you need help, we're here for you. When it comes to finding work, the results are not always immediate, and some people discover their current skills and education do not meet employer demands. Others can't find work in their local area. The good news is our centers operate federal programs that focus on returning workers to employment that is both in demand and gives you the skills employers need. One federal program is called the Workforce Innovation and Opportunity Act. This program may assist with the expenses associated with job search and relocation outside your local area, as well as various training options like classroom, on-the-job training, apprenticeships, internships, and work experiences, all designed to help people like you return to work in the shortest time possible. No matter where you are in the job search, we have employment and training programs that can help you. Upgrading your skill set is a common need for some participants in the Workforce Innovation and Opportunity Act. To do this, career planners assess your employment needs and whether you meet program eligibility requirements. If you need more than intensive job search assistance or basic skill training, such as for math or computer skills, then training may be right for you. A career planner can help you review short-term training programs, like certificate programs or licensing that provides skill upgrades. The type of training received must be an in-demand occupation in your local area. For example, you can't pursue a license for model shipbuilding, but you can for, say, electrical work. Before your plan is approved, there has to be a reasonable expectation of finding employment upon completion of that training plan. This is where Jobscape will help you research training needs. A career planner will be available to assist you through the process and help find you a career path that best fits you. You can also connect with an Equus career coach for opportunities to upgrade your skills. Get started at equusidaho.com. The Workforce Innovation and Opportunity Act also provides resources for young adults. The Young Adult Program is designed to help Idaho residents between the ages of 16 and 24 find career and training opportunities that will change the course of their lives. For those out of school and authorized to work in the U.S., the Young Adult Program offers all kinds of helpful resources, including job search support, help earning a GED, and personalized career guidance. From here, get paid on-the-job training in the form of internships and apprenticeships. Contact an Idaho Department of Labor career planner for more information about young adult services. All right, let's shift gears and talk about a federal program called the TRADE Act, which is available to help U.S. workers who may lose or may have lost their jobs as a result of foreign trade. For example, when a company's product or service supply shifts to a foreign country, employees may be eligible for a variety of resources, skill upgrade opportunities, and support. To access this program, workers must be approved under a Federal Trade Adjustment Assistance petition. A petition is filed with the U.S. Department of Labor by workers, your employer, a union official, or an Idaho Department of Labor official. Once the U.S. Department of Labor reviews and approves the petition, workers may receive a variety of benefits, including reemployment services, job search allowance up to $1,250, 90% reimbursement of relocation expenses, and training options that fit your reemployment needs. Trade Readjustment Allowance offers continuation of unemployment insurance under certain conditions. If you are 50 years of age or older and earning $50,000 or less annually in your new job than in the job you lost due to foreign trade, you may be eligible for a wage subsidy that pays up to $10,000 or 104 weeks, whichever comes first. To learn more about the Trade Adjustment Assistance programs, contact the Idaho Department of Labor or visit www.labor.idaho.gov and enter Trade Act Assistance in the search function. After a layoff, financial uncertainty is one of the biggest hurdles you're bound to face. The next few sections provide information on how to get set up for unemployment benefits and how to file an unemployment insurance claim. As with all funded programs, eligibility is the first piece of the process. So let's start by looking at what it takes to be eligible for unemployment insurance. First, you must have been laid off through no fault of your own. That means you didn't quit without good cause and/or you weren't discharged for misconduct. Second, you must be a U.S. citizen or legally authorized to work in the U.S. Third, you must have worked and earned the minimum amount required to be monetarily eligible. And finally, you must be personally eligible. Basically, that means you must be available to work full-time, able to perform full-time work, and actively seeking full-time work. Here's what you need to have ready when you start the claim filing process. First, you'll need to verify your identity through ID.me. This is our secure system for making sure you're you, and it helps keep your information safe while filing for unemployment benefits. Next, you'll need your social security card and driver's license card. Having both handy helps us verify your identity and speeds up the process. You may need other forms of ID, such as a utility bill, passport, or birth certificate. Have these on hand when you file, just in case. The next item you'll need is your work history detailing all employment you've held for the last 2 years. Make sure you include the business names with a complete address, zip codes, and phone numbers, and the dates you were employed by the business from the first day of work to the last day you worked. You'll need total gross earnings at each job for a minimum of the last 12 months at each employer. And lastly, the reason you are no longer working at your most recent employment. If you were in the military and served sometime during the past 2 years, make sure you have your DD-214 and your service dates ready to enter. If you are a non-citizen, you'll need to provide your alien registration card number and the card's expiration date. All claimants must provide their personal contact information, which includes name, address, phone, and email. If you choose direct deposit for payment, you'll also need your banking information. You may be wondering how much money you'll receive each week and how many weeks you can expect to receive unemployment insurance benefits. Your weekly benefit amount is determined based on your earnings as reported each quarter by your employer. How many weeks you are eligible to receive payments varies and depends on how long you've been working. You can review the minimum and maximum amounts you may be eligible to receive at labor.idaho.gov. Everyone who files for unemployment insurance is subject to a waiting week, which is the first week you are eligible for benefits after you file. You will not receive benefits for this week. However, for your wait week to count, you must file your weekly certification, which includes details about your work search, no sooner than the following Sunday. As a rule of thumb, it's always best to file your weekly claim report at the beginning of each week. Sunday or Monday is best. One common question we receive is, can someone work part-time and still receive benefits? The short answer is yes. However, 1. You must report your gross earnings for the week you performed the work, not for the week you were paid. 2. Any earnings exceeding half your weekly benefit amount will reduce your payment by $1 for $1. So for example, your weekly benefit is $300. Half that is $150. If you earned $151 in a week, your benefit would be $299. If you earned $152, your benefit will be $298, and so on and so on. 3. If your earnings exceed 1.5 times your weekly benefit amount, you will not be eligible for that week. For example, if your weekly benefit is $300 and you earned $450 in a week, you are not eligible to receive benefits that week. All calculations are on a week-by-week basis. One of the biggest concerns for most people after a layoff is figuring out what to do about health insurance. If that's something keeping you up at night, Your Health Idaho is a great resource to consider. Your Health Idaho is a state-based health insurance marketplace where you can shop, compare, and choose the health and dental insurance plan that is right for you. Visit yourhealthidaho.org for more information. And when you're ready to apply for healthcare coverage, all you have to do is set up an account online and start shopping for plans. No computer? No problem. To apply over the phone or to request a paper application, call Your Health Idaho at 1-855-944-3246. Have you ever wondered if there was a website that could provide assistance with clothing or medical needs? Well, there is. Idaho Careline, which can be found at 211.idaho.gov, provides a database that offers information about free and low-cost programs and services. These range from financial assistance, family services, food, clothing, healthcare, emergency shelter, workforce, education, and more. In many cases, you don't have to drive to an office to apply and receive these services. Visit this website to get started. That's it. That's the whole presentation. We know this was a lot of information to absorb, and we encourage you to reach out to your local office if you have any questions or need clarification on anything we covered today. You can do that by going to labor.idaho.gov/office directory. Thank you so much for your time, and we look forward to serving you.